Mr. Barbercheck reporting to you live from the shop during the coronavirus pandemic. We're gonna see how long my hair can grow during all of this. Hey, today I'm going to walk you quickly through a SketchUp tutorial. Watch it once really quick, then get back on a SketchUp, slow it down, and you'll be able to follow along, I'm confident. What you're doing today is helping to lay out the shop. We will be getting this place rip roaring ready to go for you guys when you get back in here. Okay, that includes metal shop improvements, lumber rack improvements. This wall behind me will be getting painted. This place will be the place to be by the time you guys get back here, and you have an opportunity to help make it the place to be by participating in designing it and the layout and following along with the series and sending me your design ideas, sending me your input. Draw up your bedroom, draw up your house, send that to me, because we need designers here in Young Hawk Products. We need more people who are able to help us draw mobile saunas, tiny houses, help us lay out the floor plan so that when we go to the school board and pitch shop improvements, we're not just telling people, we're showing people. People who can then take these skills into their life, and this is for you seniors. Go ahead and start designing your ideal dream house. Start designing different floor plans and thinking about how things should look. Anyways, that is my 2-minute introduction to this video. Please give it a watch, and missing you guys. Talk to you later. In this video, we'll be making a floor plan of our shop space, but you can use the same techniques in this video to draw a floor plan of anything you want. Your bedroom, your house, your classroom. And what I'm doing right now is just changing the style. So there on the right toolbar, you can click styles, and I'm changing it to, I believe it was the X-ray style. And then I'm going to change my view, go to the views button, looks like the camera action sign, change it to that flat view, and then go over to the left and change it to, from that big cube to that bottom cube there. I forget what that's called right now. So, yep, that middle style. I'm going to start with the line tool. Now I have the measurements of my shop on hand, so all I'm doing is just laying everything out. And when you use the line tool, you click, drag, and then you can just type in the measurement that you want it to be. So you're going to see me type in 45 feet. Then I drag it over, maintaining that colored line because that ensures that things are staying perpendicular. And for this one, I enter a measurement. Oh no, the first one was 54 feet. This measurement here will be 49 feet. And now we're going to do the stairway in the shop. So you guys are more than familiar with this area. And I'm going to bring that up. Oh, I forget what I ended up typing in. Now remember, when you type in your measurements, you have to put a apostrophe after the number. That indicates feet. Quotation marks will indicate inches. Now I'm going to drag it over another 5 feet. And then I'm going to bring it down. And what I'm going to do here, instead of just going off the measurements, I'm just going to go straight down, turn off my line tool, turn it back on, and go here and go straight over. And then I'll just trim those tails off by using my select tool and then just hitting delete. So the offset tool is in that 5th button up. And what the offset tool will do is you can click that blue face and it will automatically offset that. So you can make a bigger or smaller representation. We are offsetting it 8 inches. Remember, 8 quotation marks, and that gives us our wall thickness. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the doorways using the tape measure tool. The tape measure tool, 3rd button up on the left sidebar, will give you the guidelines you need to draw the doorways. So what I'm doing is, if you click a line using the tape measure tool, type in a measurement, it will give you a line. So 5 feet from the inside wall, it gave me a dotted line. These are similar to construction lines in Onshape. They aren't part of the actual design. They're just there to help us lay out. Same here. Now here you'll see I make a guide point. So depending on if you click on a point or a line with your tape measure, will change what you end up with as a guide point or a guide line. So these are guide points. That first guide point is 3 feet from the inside edge, and then the doorway is 3 feet wide. That covers our man door going out to our courtyard area, our double man door going out to the parking lot, and then we just need to get our main man door at the top of our entry stairway. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna offset this line 1 foot, and then offset 3 foot from that 1 foot offset. Now, once I have all these guidelines, I'm gonna go back, grab my line tool, and then just snap right on top of those guidelines. And now we have those doorways cut out of our floor plan. Couple tips: remember to use 2 screens if you're able to. Turn on closed captions, watch it once really fast, and then go ahead and slow it down and follow along that way. That's another good way to, it might sound like it'll take you longer to figure it all out, but it'll actually go quicker. Adjust the speed if you need to, so that you're watching it faster, slower, whatever you need. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is delete these doorways. So click it, that little line should turn blue, and then just hit delete on your keyboard. And now we have all of our doorways set. So we have one more thing we're going to do today, which is add the finishing room walls. To add the finishing room walls, we're gonna do the same things we've been doing. What I'm doing right now though, is if you click the glasses, and my muscle memory was a little weak here, but if you click the glasses on that right sidebar and click delete all guides, it deletes them all, and we're back to a clean slate. That's very helpful because once you have so many guides, they get kind of confusing, and since they're not part of actual design, we don't need them there forever. So this finishing room wall is 14 feet. So from the inside of the wall, offset that 14 feet. And then this one is 9 feet. We're then gonna head over to the left sidebar, grab our offset tool. After we fill in these lines, click that face of inside the finishing room, drag it out, type in 8 quotation marks for 8 inches. We're gonna clean up these lines here that kind of extruded into our wall spaces after we add a 3 foot wide door that is butted right up against that sidewall. Trim everything up, a little bit of repeat of what we've been practicing. If you have any issues, please timestamp where the issue is and where the confusion came from. Tell me where you got lost and what you're trying to do next, and I will troubleshoot that as best as I can for you. Remember that if you submit anything to me of anything you're doing on Sketchup, that will give you classroom economy bonuses, as well as count for various types of credit. I'd love to see it. It does not have to be the shop. Go ahead and try drawing up your room, your house, whatever. We will be moving on in the next video of making our shop 3D. See you later.